artists ng GMA7, ang lagi kong nakikita, for some reason sa social gatherings, si Barbie. Tapos we would end up talking to each other. We really enjoyed each other's company every time. Kaya nung nalaman kong siya, and this happened. Yes, and of course it's my, do I go ahead and I continue? It's my second project with Prime. So very happy. I was with Saving Grace, Dreamscape and ABS-CBN Saving Grace. And now I'm very pleased because I think it's the first collaboration between our mother studios, ABS-CBN, and of course GMA7. So it's like two families coming together and brought under one roof by Prime. So we're very proud, very honored.
Your first one, an opportunity.
I'm very honored, and I'm honored that it's to honor than mother. Yes,
Daming honor na.
Na-connect ko ba?
Honored na honored